Mid Engine Squad! It's your boy 214 Fierro Guy coming back with a brand new video. So in today's video, we're going to actually be talking about starting a mobile tire business. And I'm going to end up giving you 3 ways of making money in this tire business. If you're not following me up on YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, or Instagram, please do so at 214 Fierro Guy. Also, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and triple smash that like button for your boy, because you already know we ain't just out here on this grind, we out here on this car grind. And definitely, I'm going to keep on teaching this business literature, because at the end of the day, we all need to be able to be successful, and there's different ways, there's different there's like different categories for everybody. So definitely, if you're brand new to my channel, please go back and just watch some of my videos and you'll see what I'm all about. I'm all about the Fierro, I'm all about, and I'm all about business. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah, so hold on, y'all. These markers ain't working with me right now. Hold on, y'all. Okay, here it is. All right, y'all. So as you can tell, so starting a mobile tire service. All right. So when you're thinking about this is something that I want y'all to understand a little bit about a mobile tire service. So mobile tire service can mean for either or, 18 wheelers or cars. Now, depending on, what you drive, it's going to probably depending on price. But this right here is something that I think is very important for that number one, which is going to end up being all right. So that number one is helping not just cars. So what I mean by that is you ain't just going to cars, you also going to 18 wheelers. You can get called out for a van, you can get called out for anything. And with this mobile tire business, you can easily make money daily doing this. So this is almost something equal to like if you're doing tow truck driving, but only this right here is all about tires. Now, you being a car guy, or you being a car lady, or you got children that love cars or anything, with this video, please share this video with them. Please. We need to get these videos out. Please hit that hype button. Please do all of that with this video, because at the end of the day, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put you in a business mindset with not just driving cars, but being able to do things with cars. So definitely. All right, y'all. So number one is going to end up being helping not just cars. Number two, it once again, so once again, just like with the tow truck company, it helps get your business out there, because once again, you are actually dealing with something that people need. So, and it's not just, you picking a car up. Maybe somebody do need some help with a tire. Maybe somebody do need help with a ball joint. Maybe somebody do need help with an axle or anything, or just moving a car off the freeway or moving a car off the road. Definitely, if you are looking to make an investment in something, I think that this right here would actually be a really good investment to make money on. Number 3. So, once again, just like with the tow truck business, money never stops. And so what I mean by that is you are always going to be looked upon if something is going down with somebody's car. So this right here is almost like if you are looking at a what they call it, over the road business. This right could be an over the road business. This right here can actually be off the side of the highway type business, on call type stuff. This right here can be something of that. And so with this right here is a very lucrative business. When I say that, I definitely mean that you can make your money quickly, because a lot of people need tires. That right there is something that right there is almost like a gas station. If we look at a gas station, everybody needs gas. Everybody needs an electric charge. So you're going to end up going to a gas station, or you're going to end up going to that store that you be going to who got an electric charge, or you're going to be going to, you basically going to be going to these places because you need that. So that right there, just like saying with tires, you always need this, because at the end of the day, you don't know what can happen to you. And then you go on your phone and you see that somebody got a business like that come out to you. It actually just happened to me not too long ago, and they actually came out and assisted me. So definitely, if you're not following me up on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat, please do so at 214 Fierro Guy. Please also hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit that hype button, and hit that like button for your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, and share up on this video. Please share this video with people, please, because I'm just trying to get these videos out there. I want people to understand. I want the young kids to understand when they're looking at this video. I want the people who has a really good mind, who's looking to do something with their mind. I want them to be able to see this. I want them to understand what this right here is. This is not just for grown people. This is for children. This right here is for entrepreneurs who's looking to do something with a car or a van or a truck or anything else. And that's the reason why I make these videos, because I'm not just making videos for myself. I'm making videos for y'all, because I want y'all to understand that, yes, I'm a business-minded man. Yes, I want you to understand on what I'm teaching y'all. Because at the end of the day, this right here is what this right here becomes. I can start anything any day that I want to. But the reason why I choose to teach it to y'all is because at the end of the day, this right here can make you money. This right here can make you passive income. This right here can make you money for years to come, for your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, and everything. So definitely take a look at these videos that I'm dropping, because you already know I'm dropping videos like hotcakes. And I want y'all to understand that at the end of the day, these videos are not just for me. I'm trying to get y'all to understand that this right here is what's going to make you money. And then with this right here also, you could do this on a weekend. This mobile tire, sir, you could do that up on a weekend. You could do that off your day, with your days off. If you're not working or anything. You can also do this right here if you got some, extra spare time or something. You can go run and go, catch a few $100. Just by changing somebody's tire that's up the road from your job or something. So definitely, I want y'all to pay attention to this one right here, because this one right here this right here can end up being something that's very big, in the future for you. And then also too, the reason why I teach y'all as well is because I want the young kids to understand this. Because at the end of the day, I know that it's going to come to a time where there ain't no old schools on the road. It's all new schools, right? And so I know that these kids who's going to be coming up is going to be wanting to do something, and not just do something to make money, but do something to help out others, being able to, put others on game. And then when you put others on game, now they are doing something. But then they end up putting somebody else on game. Now they're doing something. And that's the reason why I make these videos, because I want them to understand as well, not just the grown folks. I want the kids to understand. I want the people who has a, who's looking to try something. I want the people, who's just now getting out of college. I want them to understand what this right here is all about. Don't look it over. Don't, oh yeah, well, I'm doing something. Don't do that. Pay attention to what I'm writing down. Pay attention. Because at the end of the day, this right here can help you out in the future, and this right here can help you out forever. All right, y'all. Well, it's your boy 214 Fierro guy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share on this video. Please share this video with everybody. And please, make sure that they hit that hype button when they are looking at my video, because I want to get these videos out. I want people to just understand that this right here can make you a lot of money. All right, y'all. Well, I'm out.